This is Ganesh. Today I will be explaining you about the various aggregates of national income. You need to understand the various aggregates of national income very clearly so that you will be able to calculate domestic income and national income. If you do not know what are the various components of these aggregates and how they are constituted, then you will not be able to calculate domestic income and national income. After this, I will explain you very well how to calculate domestic income and national income. So first of all, let us come to the aggregates of national income. So here in the slide, I have shown you 8 aggregates of national income. The first one is gross domestic product at market price, that we will write as GDP MP. The second aggregate is gross domestic product at factor cost, that is we will write as GDP FC. The third aggregate is net domestic product at market price, that is written as NDP MP. The fourth aggregate is net domestic product at factor cost, that is NDP FC. The fifth aggregate is gross national product at market price, that is written as GNP MP. The sixth aggregate is gross national product at factor cost, that is GNP FC. The seventh aggregate is net national product at market price, that is written as NNP MP. The eighth aggregate is net national product at factor cost, that is written as NNP FC. You must know these aggregates very thoroughly, and it is very easy to learn and remember them. You see the first two, that is gross domestic product at market price and factor cost. So first and second one is what? Gross domestic product. One is at market price, other is at factor cost. The third and fourth you see, that is net domestic product. So net domestic product, third one is at market price, fourth one is at factor cost. You see the fifth one and sixth one, that is gross national product. Both are gross national product. The fifth one is at market price and the sixth one is at factor cost. Now you see the seventh and eighth one, that is net national product. So net national product at market price and net national product at factor cost. So you have to learn these aggregates very well. You must know them thoroughly. Now I will explain you what is your factor cost and market price. This is again a very important concept. Without knowing this, you will not be able to go ahead in national income. So first of all, we come to factor cost. So here factor cost, when the value of goods and services is calculated at cost, that is cost of production, then it is known as factor cost. You see, for producing goods and services, we use various factors of production: land, labor, capital, all these things. So when we use these factors, we pay them. That is what we have seen in process of distribution. So that payment what you are making to these factors to produce that commodity is called cost of production. And when the value of the goods and services is calculated at that cost, that is known as factor cost. And one thing is sure, factor cost is always less than market price. So we will see what is market price. Market price is the price at which the goods are sold in the market. So the price what we are paying and we are purchasing the goods in the market, that is called market price. So one thing is very clear, market price is always more than cost or cost of production. So we can say market price is always more than factor cost. Here all the aggregates are calculated at factor cost or market price. You have seen every aggregate is calculated at factor cost and market price. For example, you are taking GDP, then you are calculating GDP at market price. You are also calculating GDP at factor cost. You are taking GNP, you are calculating GNP at market price. You are calculating GNP at factor cost. So we have to know how to calculate market price, how to calculate factor cost. Now I will tell you how to calculate market price when factor cost is given. So let us come to market price. How to calculate market price? Market price is equal to factor cost plus indirect taxes minus subsidies. You can see the formula there. Market price is equal to factor cost plus indirect taxes minus subsidies. That indirect taxes minus subsidies I have put in small brackets. So this indirect taxes minus subsidies is called net indirect taxes. That is called NIT. That is called NIT, net indirect taxes. So we can write the formula as market price is equal to factor cost plus net indirect taxes. If in the question net indirect taxes is given, then you can directly add it to factor cost to get market price. Suppose in the question factor this indirect taxes are given and subsidies are given separately, then we have to use the formula market price is equal to factor cost plus indirect taxes minus subsidies. Here we have to understand that the formula of net indirect taxes, that is indirect taxes minus subsidies, will never change. That will be always indirect taxes minus subsidies only. That can never become subsidies minus indirect taxes. So what we conclude is NIT, that is net indirect taxes, can be positive, can be zero, and can be negative. Now, when is this NIT positive or net indirect taxes positive? So net indirect taxes is positive when indirect taxes is more than subsidies. You are subtracting subsidies from indirect taxes. So when this indirect taxes is more and subsidies is less, then NIT will be positive. Then when is this NIT can be zero? NIT will be zero when both indirect taxes and subsidies are same. When the same value is subtracted from a particular value, then we will get zero. So what we understand here is NIT will be zero when indirect taxes and subsidies both are equal, both are same. Your NIT can be negative. NIT can be negative when indirect taxes is less than subsidies, because the formula is indirect taxes minus subsidies. Indirect taxes is less and subsidies is more. So a bigger number is subtracted from a smaller number. So the result will be negative. So we can say NIT will become negative here. So we have to be very particular, careful when we calculate NIT. The formula of NIT is indirect taxes minus subsidies, and that will remain as it is. It will not change.